Hello all, welcome to Study with you Mahi. Thank you for subscribing the channel. If you haven't subscribed the channel, please do subscribe Study with you Mahi. You'll get the more videos related to Tspsc exams. In the earlier videos, I've already explained about the Sathavahana Dynasty, political history, economic conditions, coins, inscriptions, etc. topics. In this video, we are going to discuss about the art and architecture of Satavahanas. Coming to the art and architecture of Satavahanas, it is known as Amaravati school art. The art type of Satavahanas is Amaravati school type. Next, in the first, we are going to discuss about the Amaravati Stupa, which is located at Guntur district on the banks of Krishna river. And it was identified by Colonel Colin Mackenzie. Colonel Colin Mackenzie. He is the first Director General of Survey of India. He was identified Amaravati Stupa in the year 1797 and it was built during the Pulamavi II period. Amaravati Stupa was built during the Pulamavi II. And the perimeter of Amaravati Stupa is 435 feet and 20 meters height. And the symbols on the Amaravati Stupa, symbols related to Buddha's life are shown on the white stone known as Ayaka Patakam. What? Ayaka Patakam. On Ayaka Patakam, Buddha's life was shown. What are the important features of Buddha's life? Birth, which was symbolized by lotus, and the Mahabhi Nishkramana, symbolized by horse, and the enlightenment, which is also known as Nirvana. It was symbolized by Bodhi or people tree. Next, Dharma Chakra Parivartana, wheel, Mahapariniryanam, which is known as death. This was symbolized by Stupa. Not only Buddha's life, Ayaka Patakam also has the pictures of Vinayaka and Purna Kumbham. Thank you for watching the video. Next, I will continue the art and architecture of Satavahana dynasty in the coming videos.